Toitū te marae o tāne mahuta. Toitū te marae o Tangaroa. Toitū te iwi. Wai Manawa, Leroy's Bush, is the gateway to Kaipātiki, the largest area of native forest on the Waitemata Harbour. Wai Manawa means the source of water. Streams and gullies run through this forest, the lifeblood that nourishes this unique ecosystem. Native birds such as the tui, Piwakawaka and Kereru thrive in this timeless rainforest. Wai Manawa is an opportunity for you to walk in the footsteps of the original Maori inhabitants. They travelled this very path to harvest the fruits of the forest and land. Experience Aotearoa as it was in ancient times. Wai Manawa in Birkenhead. All this and more in only 10 minutes from Auckland's CBD.